Magandang hapon po ng Friday, June 14, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, June 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 14, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, June 14, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 132 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for June 14, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, June 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.